Social cultural values are a small set of values that guide and profoundly affect how everyone in that culture think and act. They're usually only a small set of values, but they have a powerful influence because of the intrinsic nature and the significance that this set of values has for the cultural group. Like personal core values, these are essentially the core values that define the cultural group and what it does. What is interesting, though, is that our personal values are interrelated to our cultural values. That is, our cultural values determine what is expected of us in social settings, what we view as good, beautiful, constructive, and so on. Now, that is, they set the norm for our personal values. In essence, our various cultures exist because we as individuals have accepted and taken on the social cultural values as our own. Otherwise, a culture would disintegrate. That is one of the issues in North America, is that we are exposed to so many conflicting cross-cultural values that it becomes difficult to determine what our personal values are and how we fit into the community in which we live. This dilution of cultural values takes a toll on how we integrate. As a third-generation Canadian, I have a difficult time identifying with any particular culture and set of cultural values. So without that cultural reference, it's difficult to know what values that I do hold. Yet, when I travel to other countries, people from that culture can see that I definitely do have a different set of social cultural values. So what does all of this mean? Well, we do have a set of cultural values, but they can be so integrated into our personal core values that we're unconscious of them. And because we can belong to so many different social cultures, for example, work, family, recreation, these values can sometimes compete with each other and cause internal conflict. So how do we understand our core values? Well, that's in our next video.